What's up? I'm Fat Papa. Today I want to tell you what is the summary for the whole series of the investment section I will talk about. So is there any point is most important, and then is there anything I want to add, or what is the main point for this whole section? Why I want to give you all those information. Let us begin. We talk about the 910 series, the whole thing. Some people may think it's boring, and then some people might think all of them is not what they're looking for, or some people might think that is not detailed enough. That's why I try to give one. I want to tell you more information, and then the most important point in all those chapters. So if you didn't look at my first video up here to find out what situation you are in or what your interest, then probably you look at the last one, you can know more, and then go back to look for watch the first video and you will find out more. Before I start, I hope you guys will give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then follow my Instagram and Facebook, so I have a new video, you won't miss it. So let me tell you more now. Why you need to know what purpose you are doing for your investment. In my first video, I already said you need to find out the most important thing is, are you aggressive type? Are you a more safe type? Or you are 50-50? You really need to find that before you can think about what type of investment you try to work. And people might say, okay, I watched your whole series, but some of them is really expensive. You might not need that now, but if you did your investment correctly, and sooner or later you will have chance to do some of them. Never say never. The information I give is a lot of people already did it or doing it. Doesn't mean they all have really rich people or they are really successful people. A lot of people is from small amount, and then to build up. Important thing you need to remember, you need to do the investment on what you know. Always remember that. Why I say that is, don't listen to other people. You can get the information, or you can read the news, or you can get all those report research from other people. That is to be part of your research. It's not listen to those people. As long as you don't know the investment, it will be risky. Let me give you a really fast example. Let's say today you didn't know about stock market. Don't do it. No matter what people say, I am pretty sure a month ago they don't know some of the stock they will be go up over 800-900%, or some stock they will drop really low price at this moment. But if you do the research, you might know about the company. I don't want to say the name, you know my video, I'm not doing advertisement on any of them, or I didn't get money or sponsor from any of them. I just saying that if you go to there, you need to know about it. And you say, hey, Fat Papa, even I do the research, I might not know, but you can see the chance on the company, the quarterly report on them, and then what they did, and then what is the other company related to that. All those will affect the people to purchase, invest on that company. You need to know about it. And if you, let me say another thing is you need to know if you like to shopping, and then I say that that is it can be an investment. You need to know that. Don't say, oh, some people buy that, it's a limited edition toy or clothes or bag or whatever that is. Oh, I just follow that. Yeah, you go buy it, but you don't know anything about it. You are not in there. You don't know when to sell it is best. Is that really good for you? to purchase, because those items you purchase, let me say today, is a toy or a collection. After you purchase it, it's not like you just put in the closet or you put in your garage. It will be borrowing money. Those items you need to protect it. So let's say some of them maybe you need to put in certain temperature level, or some of them you probably need to have like the popcorn and then the paper wrap, and then you put extra box, everything to protect it. Make sure the package and everything did not get damaged when you try to sell it. You need to know the feel on the item you're interested to invest before you try to do it. So if today people tell me to purchase the watch, say that the watch is limited edition or like they are anything, the people who know me for 40 years, they know I don't like to wear watch. Now I wear, you see, I wear the watch is the smart watch, but that purpose is not for investment. That is for me to easy to work. I will get the note, like if I get message, I know. I get email, I know. Sometimes my phone may be in office, I'm in warehouse, I still have it. So the purpose is different. So if today you tell me, even though you said I buy the watch, like how many years later I sell it, I will gain a lot of money, I won't do it because I don't know watch. All I know is a smart watch, or there's some watch like it's easy to use. What I like to use is not for collection. And every time I do an investment, probably if they're new, I need to spend 3 to 6 months to study it and then do research before I do it. I always believe one thing: nothing is only one chance. If something is only one chance, no second one, it's not for us. Already those other people already try to get it, or the people who already knew this item, they already get it, and then it's not for us. Let's say today, if some people say the watch is pretty good, and then so etc etc, okay, I don't know it, I'm interested about it, I will do my research, I skip this one. I'm sure later on you will have another brand or another time of like the memorable time, they might make another limited edition also. So it won't be a one chance. But if you're interested, you do the research, you miss this one, doesn't matter. You wait for next one, and then it's like a lot of the investment you can do. Even though, let's say, I talk about if you are the safe people, you don't want to risk. Do the saving is another thing. Saving, I already have another video. If you didn't watch it, it's up here too. So you can, saving, you still have investment, you can get money. And then those, like I talked in the video, is not one time. So always have a second chance, third chance, fourth chance. And then that is the interesting, and then the thing people like to do the investment, because it is not only one time. So you can keep going and roll over the money you invest. That is investment. Like you buy the house, you can buy it, sell it, and then buy it again. It always have a second chance, a third chance, and a fourth chance. It won't always only go up. It will be up and down. Maybe take longer year, but it will be. Don't rush to do the investment when you don't know about it. Always study first, and then if you are really interested in doing the investment, have a lot of the book talk about it, video talk about it, and then the website talk about it. You can look around, see on the market, find something you like, or even though you don't have chance now, you can learn about it. Chance will come. Like I said, it's not only one time deal. I hope you will find the investment you like, and you like my video also. And after that, I have a new project I will coming up, but that requires like to do it every other week. So probably from now on, it will not be the whole series. It will be jumping. Maybe this time is this, and then next week is another thing. It's like keep going like that. So if you like my video, remember, give me a like, subscribe my channel, and follow my Instagram and Facebook, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. I hope to see you next Wednesday. See you soon. Bye.